Hi everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a quick unboxing video of this keychain size flashlight by Tungng I can't pronounce it, but you see the name right there, S15 Pro. And this was sent to me by this company via Jenny. Thank you, Jenny, for sending this to me. And full disclosure, this was sent to me free of charge to review and tell you my thoughts on this video. On this flashlight in this video, I meant to say. All right, so let's go over some of the specs that's on the box. It has a UV, awesome UV light. Okay. USB-C charging port. It has a magnetic magnet. It has IP waterproof of 66. And it's impact rated from drop from 1.5 meters. Pretty cool. All right. And here are the specs on the back. I'll let you look at it if you want to pause it and read it. Specs don't really impress me much. I've seen flashlights that have been rated for very low lumens and work excellently as a EDC flashlight. And so to me, specs are specs. I mean, if you go by that, that's fine. So I'm letting you read the specs here. The lumens, the runtime, the throw, pretty decent for a keychain size flashlight. And here's the dimensions right here. Okay, and of course, it's made in China, but most of your products are, even the US companies make their products in China. So just because it's made in China does not mean it's bad quality. All right, so let's put that to the side here. You get a starter instructions here. All right. And I just got this in the mailbox today. I'm just opening this box now. So I do not know how it operates or what modes it has or what features it has. We are learning this together. What I'm going to do is I'm just doing the unboxing video for now to show you the product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this in my EDC. And I'm going to include this in my next video, the August EDC update, and give you a full review of this light. So make sure you look out for that video. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the light. You get a USB-C charging charging cable. You get a pocket clip. A key ring. A mini carabiner if you wish to clip it onto your belt loop or what have you not. Seems like it's packed full of goodies here for all the ways you can carry it EDC wise. And that's everything. And here is the flashlight. EDC flashlight. Aerospace aluminum. Here is the USB-C charging port. Make sure you have it in there tight. It is rated to be waterproof. It gives you a little hot warning because evidently the lens may get a little warm. That is the company logo and name. On and off button here. And you have the usual multicolor lights here. And a decent size keyring hole. I'm going to actually detach all of the lights from my keys that I currently have and solely use this flashlight for the rest of the month until I do my August EDC update, and I will give you a full review of this flashlight. But it is a very high quality feeling piece of little equipment. And it has a magnet here, so if you want to attach it to some metal to go hands-free, you can. Let's put the the pocket clip on and put it back here. Let me see. Yeah, it goes right here. That snaps on pretty tight. Pretty decent there. Yeah. But I'll probably take it back off because I am going to put this flashlight on my keys, my keychain, because that's where my keychain flashlights, they get the most use of all my flashlights because it's right on my keychain and it's right on my belt loop. And it's so easy to access. Oh, there it is. Yeah, multiple push. You get the lamp. Okay. Oh, it's got like 3 levels of brightness, seems like. And it's got a strobe. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. This is I like flashlights like this because it not only you use it as a flashlight, but also as a lantern, also as an emergency beacon. So yeah, I'm gonna put this to the test, use it, and I'll give you a full review. So stand by. Sometime this month, I'll get to it. I'm gonna be doing a brand new EDC update. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and take a note of this company. For now, initially, this thing feels pretty high quality. And as usual, they're not that expensive. I'll put a link in the descriptions down below if you're interested in taking a more detailed look on Amazon. And if you wish to order it and see for yourself and not wait for my review, please feel free to do that, because I can tell you right now, this is going to be a pretty handy little flashlight. Yeah, I like it. All right. Please like and subscribe. See ya.